Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astha. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I created this beautiful festive makeup look. So festivals का season आ रहा है, काफी सारे festivals हैं, दशहरा, दिवाली, छठ, भाई दूज और उसके साथ ही साथ शादी का भी सीजन आ रहा है और काफी सारी शादियां हैं इस पर हम सबके घर में. इस टाइम पे हमें काफी कंफ्यूजन होता है कि किसी भी ओकेजन में या किसी भी फेस्टिवल के टाइम हम कैसे ड्रेसअप करें, ड्रेसअप अगर हो गया तो मेकअप कैसे करें. आई विल बी शेयरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फेस्टिव मेकअप लुक्स दिस सीजन फॉर यू गाइज, ताकि आपको थोड़ा हेल्प मिल सके कि आप अपने ड्रेस के साथ कैसे अपने मेकअप को मैच कर सकते हो एंड हाउ यू कैन लुक एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग दिस फेस्टिव एंड शादी सीजन. So not only this makeup look, I'll be sharing a lot of makeup looks in my upcoming videos, and if you are interested to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So let's start with our makeup. First of all, I'm using this moisturizer from Good Vibes. इसको मैं अपने पूरे फेस पे लगा के अच्छे से मसाज कर लूँगी ताकि मेकअप के लिए एक अच्छा सा बेस प्रिपेयर हो जाए. Then I'm using this poreless putty primer from Elf Cosmetics. गाइज दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग प्राइमर, आई जस्ट लव इट. जब से मैंने इसको परचेज़ किया है उसके बाद मैंने आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई और प्राइमर यूज़ किया होगा अपने एवरीडे मेकअप के लिए या पार्टी मेकअप के लिए. दिस इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग दिस कंसीलर फ्रॉम Maybelline. दिस इज़ Maybelline Fit Me कंसीलर. सो आई विल बी अप्लाइंग दिस ऑन माई इंटायर आईलिड ताकि एक अच्छा सा बेस प्रिपेयर हो जाए मेरे आई मेकअप के लिए. Now for setting my eye base, I am using this Insight Translucent Face Powder. So this is a loose powder and this is also really good. I love all the products of Insight. So now starting with the eye makeup, I have picked up a light brown shade from this Makeup Revolution Tropical Paradise palette on a fluffy brush, and I am applying it all over my eyelid. So this is going to be my first transition shade. Next, for my crease, I am using this dark maroon, pinkish maroon kind of shade, and I am using a different brush for this one, but this is still a fluffy brush, and I am applying it on my crease only. Then I am taking this dark brown shade on a different brush again, and I am applying it on top of the maroon shade just to intensify it a little bit and get the desired shade. Then I'm picking up the lightest shade of brown that I have in my palette and just brushing it on my eyelid so that all the shades are mixed properly. Then I'm picking up a black shade on a pencil brush and applying it just on my outer corner to intensify it and give it a depth effect. Then I'm using this Hilary Rhoda palette and picking up this aqua green sort of shimmery shade and applying it on the outer part of my crease. So this is basically a cut crease, but I did not cut my crease with the help of a concealer. I'll tell you why. Next I'm using this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. This is a beautiful eyeshadow. It has an amazing pigmentation और अगर मैं सिर्फ इसको भी अपने आईज पे अप्लाई की होती तो वो बहुत ही प्यारा लगता. Still this is a liquid eyeshadow, so I didn't need to cut my crease with a concealer. वो इससे already हो गया था. Next I'm again picking up this dark brown shade from this You Can Be Fruit Pie filling palette. The purpose was just to intensify the outer corner and to obviously mix the two eyeshadows. Then for eyeliner, I am using this Maybelline gel eyeliner. You have to draw a very simple eyeliner. There is nothing much to do with the eyeliner. It just have to be perfect and it should look beautiful. I just said it has to be perfect because you don't want to mess up with rest of your eye makeup. So take your time and make sure it is perfect. Then I've taken the same pencil brush with which I applied my black eyeshadow and I'm smudging my eyeliner a little bit. If you are a beginner, just skip this step because it might destroy your rest of the eye makeup. Okay, so we are done with one eye. Let's quickly do the same on the other eye as well and come back. So we are done with the eye makeup. Let's quickly do the rest of the makeup. For mascara, I am using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So I am not using falsies because I don't really have one. You can definitely go for it if you want. For foundation, I am using this beautiful foundation from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Superstay Foundation. So the shades of each and everything will be mentioned down below in the description box. You can check it out if you are interested. Next, I'm using the same Maybelline concealer for highlighting my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin, and then blending it out with the same beauty blender. For setting my makeup, I am again using the loose powder from Inside Cosmetics on a big fluffy brush. So I always say it is very important to set your makeup no matter what type of skin you have for your makeup to be long lasting. Finally, for setting my base makeup, I am using this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Then I'm just patting it with a beauty blender so that my base makeup sets properly. I really like to do this step at this point rather than doing it at the end of the makeup. Let's come to the makeup of lower lash. I have picked up the same light brown shade on a thin flat brush and I'm just applying it on my lower lash. Then for kajal, I am using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal and applying it on my waterline. Then I am smudging out the kajal with the help of a flat brush again. I had picked up a little bit of black eyeshadow on my brush as well. Okay, so now let's come to contouring. I won't really be contouring my face. I am using this Contour de Force mini bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. Since my eye makeup is already very heavy, I'll be going very light with rest of my makeup. So I'm just lightly bronzing up my face with it. For blush, I am using this beautiful shade from Wet n Wild. It is a very subtle blush and it looks very beautiful on dusky skin tone people. It will also look good on fair skin people, but it looks good on me, so I can definitely say it looks good on dusky skin people. For highlighter, I am using this brick highlighter from Swiss Beauty. So I am mixing all the shades except the top one because that is kind of too light for my skin tone. So I have mixed rest of the shades and applied it on my high points. This is also a very beautiful and glowy highlighter. For lipstick, first of all I am using this liquid lipstick from Miss Claire. This is a very nice warm brown shade. So at first I thought of using only this lipstick, but later I mixed this Lakme Forever Matte lipstick as well because I kind of thought that my eye makeup is a mix of brown and maroon, so I did it to match it with my eye makeup. So we are done. Let's do a beautiful transition and come back. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found the video helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment down and tell me did you like my look or not. If you have any suggestions, any advice, it's most welcome. Comment down in the comment section. Also stay tuned for more beautiful and amazing festive makeup looks. Bye bye. See you next time.